Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, I'm there again once more with certain things to talk to you about. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm going to start like this. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica was out in the street somewhere within the country of Jamaica doing their duty. Now, at least one of those law enforcers did certain things that made at least one person who you can see in the video became angry. You see what I'm saying to you? And I really would like to take a look at the situation and tell them what you think about the situation, viewers and subscribers. And I think it will be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself and see if I can get an understanding as to why the person became angry, viewers and subscribers. As I say, a part of the video shows when the person took something from the back of a motor vehicle. Anyways, you can hear yelling and shouting in the video, viewers and subscribers. You can also hear harsh language in the video as well. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yo, my brothers now got up. Yo, can't stop it. Can't stop it. They want to
brother, and justice of the peace place yourself on. PLP place. A private man. Private man. A private man is better. Style will come as style, please, brother. Millions of people, brother. And now I'm going to your friend, brother. That's another house, my brother. I'm curious the police to respond, my brother. I the police to my brother. Yeah, check on the things, my brother. All things are low, my brother. How much money is poor, you have to buy. Poor. Hey, brother, check on the things that about you.
shake up.
Alright, well, my people, for those who might not have a good understanding about the whole situation, let me point out certain things to you, alright? Now, if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when someone said the word sell in the video. Listen.
And justice of the peace place yourself on. PLP place.
You hear that? Alright. Now, in another part of the video, viewers and subscribers, the person said this.
Yeah, check on the things, brother.
Alright, let me play that again.
Yeah, check on the things, brother.
Alright? Okay, now, viewers and subscribers, I hope that by presenting those parts of the video, you might get a better understanding about the whole situation. Now, overall, my people, I would like to know what we as people within the country of Jamaica can do to build a better vibes between some civilians and some law enforcers within the country of Jamaica. So leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think about the whole situation. And if you have any suggestions, leave your comment and comments in the comment section of the video. Alright, on to our next topic. A well-known musician who some people might call Baby Sham, some people might just call him Sham, posts a video on social media and talk about this whole situation where it is said that millions of dollars somehow went missing from an account that belongs to Usain Bolt. See me? Now I'm going to present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to like you listen to the words that he used in the video and tell me what you think about the things that he said. And a real viewers and subscribers, this situation I look good for Jamaica, it look bad. If you know say certain things like that somehow happened to a legend like Usain Bolt, come on. I mean, it really and truly look away. So, my people, here's the video. Listen to certain things that Sham said and tell me what you think. Observe.
Jamaica, what really a going? Or someone like Usain Bolt that has given the country so much. You know what I mean? And has done so much for the country, tourism and a whole. Just giving so much joy to the people.
You hear me say?
How them can fraud this money of him retirement money, and I don't hear the Minister of Finance speaking out. I don't hear the Prime Minister speaking out.
Listen.
I don't hear the people who we put in these power to oversee and make sure them protect Jamaicans.
All right.
What are they trying to say that? We Jamaicans should not invest in our own country? You don't look good. Not looking good at all. You know what I mean? We need to step up, we need to speak up, we need to hear from the Prime Minister, we need to hear from the Minister of Finance, we need to hear from these people what they're going to do to make sure that Usain Bolt can smile. You know what I mean? He deserves that. He has given all of us so much joy, you know what I mean? And done so much for the country. This is Jamaica, do better.
See me, I say my people, no. Me start to say to myself about wait if something like that can happen to a man like Usain Bolt. I mean, want to a small time person like me, eh? All them things I'm start thinking. Anyways, my people, so I saw a post that had been made on a Instagram account for Usain Bolt viewers and subscribers. You see me? And me look at the post and I dismiss it viewers and subscribers. Like, and I just dismiss it. I don't know if I something wrong with my laptop and the app with it on my phone as well, but I dismiss it. You see me? And the post had been made on the Instagram account with certain words. So let me read the words then when I see my people. In a world of lies, where is the truth? The history evil. What is the root? Money. See me, people, there's a hashtag of a certain set of letters put together. But let's go into the comment section now, my people, see? Yeah, so me read a comment from someone that said, them try run it back. You alone sit down in a them cold water there, wake up early for train. Your blood, sweat and tears, them want reap easily. Them better run back every red cent in TH matchless name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Alright, so another comment from someone said, the love of money is the root of all evil, not money. The love of it, blessings and guidance, legend. Another comment from someone said, after so much hard work, Jamaica has failed. Another comment from someone said, well, they need to give you back your money. Now you can use your star status to fight the corruption system in the country. My people, and a real, the situation look away. You see what I say? And in my point of view, to the type of information that when I get viewers and subscribers, it really and truly looks sticky. I don't want to say certain things because more I know say that Usain Bolt somehow get back in money. What went missing, you see me I say? But they even know at this point if I'm money, if I say I'm monies. You see me I say? Because I'm a chump change. Now my people, there are quite a number of news articles that published and post out there about this whole situation about Usain Bolt, the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I mean, me I talk about news articles are from certain people will bring information to social media and news-wise worldwide out there, you know, post about this whole thing pertaining to Usain Bolt. You see me I say? So I say, alright, I say, I can get an update of what I go on. You see me, now I go read from one news article that I saw about this whole situation. So listen carefully. So one news article that I read said that Jamaican sprint legend Usain Bolt is staring at a wipeout of his heavy investment at Stocks and Securities Limited, that's SSL, and is now fearing that the monies, some people might just say money, but me say MONIES, which he had hoped to access in his later years will likely not be recovered. And the same news article said that a source said the information was delivered to Bolt's management team last week, just before the company went public about a massive fraud that source say amounts to more than $1.2 billion viewers and subscribers. So may I say, the same news article said that Bolt is among more than 30 people whose investments at SSL are believed to have been fleeced by a wealth advisor viewers and subscribers. Now I don't know how accurate this news article be when it comes down to certain things I'm reading a news article. So may I say I don't know how accurate, I don't know if it is 100% true. You see me I say certain things me don't even want to say. You know me that like to be able to say that the money somehow had been recovered or then find out how the money got missing and certain justice be done. Yes, so may I say that would I like to say, but the situation really looks sticky viewers and subscribers. It really looks sticky. So I just make you know the information that we get, you see me, and you can let me know what you think. So I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened when certain things that belongs to a person was confiscated or seized when law enforcers was out in the street somewhere in the country of Jamaica doing their duty. Now some people might call the person a vendor, viewers and subscribers, and I got the understanding that a motor vehicle was placed on the back of a wrecker. Now, I got the understanding that there are some persons who have different opinions and point of views about this whole situation. On one side, some persons are basically saying that law and order must be maintained, and on another side, some persons are basically defending the person whose things had been seized or confiscated by law enforcers. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? As you may know, just as I got the video, I'm presenting the video to you. The video has been posted on social media with some words in it, viewers and subscribers, alright? But you can still see persons in the video, you can still hear certain things that have been said in the video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Neil, where you go with the vehicle? No, then you watch your vehicle, brother. You have space to... Some enough you know where my vehicle I go?
I say ask them don't tell me where it's going yet. So
Let me take hold on me. Let me take hold on me.
Go on, people.
Sir, this is my tool, sir.
Yes, but there's a law that states that if you're going to walk with a machine for your food, it must be properly concealed.
Yes,
it must be properly wrapped up and concealed. So, sir, all I'm saying to you is that you can go in here with the machine, wrap it up now for me because I don't want to charge the parking office to go back. So, when I'm not tracking jelly, just bust the wrap up.
I'm going over there to see
That now, sir. That now, sir.
Nobody notify nobody.
Nobody knows somebody let me think you that. Nobody needs to put gunman notice, say them have to kill, say them have to get them and lock them up, them kill somebody. Nobody needs to be the vendor who is vending illegally, that they're going to remove the stuff because they're vending illegally. You know this is no way this could be legal.
Yeah, you are.
Where my vehicle is going?
It's going to the parish council.
Where is that, sir?
There are parish council officers, you can speak with them, please. Municipal police is marked on there. They are the ones who watch this and the very simple security. Sir, there's an officer here that is safer for you to go to than try to cross the road and point you out to the senior right here with the booking done, right in front of you.
Where is the vehicle going, sir?
It's going by the K-Street.
Oh, downtown?
Yeah.
Look out this boy in a lock up. Why that's the behind
Alright, my people, now I really and truly hope that everything work out okay for the person. Yes, what I say, and you can let me know what you think about that whole situation, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? It really and truly look away. Yeah, so I left it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.